Ziri w'ekiganja gya serikali John-Mbadi nigo ritukuria rera twari gikaro ni tureti abagaka iri gukwanira chinchira Toenekie Obomo ase kiama gya ODM okwana nigo bagikiri gwatanenika uko kagendete kwenikigwa ase kiama ekyo CHINKWANA CHINKWANA gokorekana gati omurai w'ikiama ekyo OBURU ginga nabo igo mulikyo monene w'ikiama gya ODM SIFUNA.
And I will tell you that the things that you are seeing happening today did not start yesterday. They started when Raila was alive, although they were muted. This talk of not supporting President William Ruto by SG of the party happened even when Raila was alive. Only that it was muted because Raila had a way of people actually, I don't know whether to say respected or feared him at the same time. But what we are telling them is, can you come and tell us why you strongly feel that you want to go the other side? Because in Kenya there are just two political groupings. Let's not lie to ourselves. So if you don't want to work with Ruto, who do you want to work with?
Efforts to keep ODM united, intact, and have impact in the political scene. Agenda number 2. How we, the Luo elders, can mobilize huge support to the broad-based government, especially during the 2027 elections.
Tinga kiense ya Kenya gendete kwirubiria wesio bobochorio